Carlin, we were talking the other
Mhm.
day that we can get some very unexpected reactions when we orgasm. Tell us a little more about that.
It's very common, especially if we're just connecting to orgasm, if we're pre-orgasmic. We connect to the orgasm and we think, oh, I'm going to have my orgasm. I'm finally going to get there. I'm going to feel elated and happy and it's going to be ecstasy because that's what we hear, right?
Yeah.
Ecstasy and orgasm and crossing the bridge and fireworks. And then what happens very often
Mhm.
is all that repressed sadness, all that repressed trauma comes out, and we can have a crygasm. We can
Yeah.
just uncontrollably weep.
Mhm.
And they're shocked because it's like, well,
Yes.
I thought this would be a positive experience. And here's what's interesting, that's how you get to the positive experience.
Right. Right.
We have to purge all of the crap out of the central nervous system. So
Mhm.
all of those times that you were having maybe sex with a partner or you were trying to masturbate and you couldn't get there, all
Right.
that loss and feeling of failure, it's all coming out and that's a release.
Yes. Yes. So it's like it's the trauma, it's sadness, it's what's being held in your body. And orgasm is healing,
Mhm.
right? So you have to like get through the pain before you can start experiencing orgasm as pleasure. And I've been in circles with you where women have released trauma and we've seen it. We've seen it and it's incredibly healing. But very unexpected.
Sometimes we can feel anger.
Mhm.
I've seen rage
Mhm.
leave bodies where,
Yes.
the back is contorting in our faces and we're like, ah, yeah. Yeah, I'm
Mhm.
angry, right? Aren't we all angry that we couldn't have these experiences in our teens, that we weren't supported, that it
Right.
was never about our pleasure? So the purging that happens, that's
Mhm.
what it is. So as it comes out, what we do is we feel the emotion. We don't disconnect from it. And that's what we do as
Mhm.
women. We're disconnected from our bodies. And if you're disconnected from our bodies and our pleasure, we're disconnected from our emotions. So
Yes,
we can
yes.
never really process. So as it comes out, it's such a positive thing. I mean, when I'm there working with a client and you see it leaving the body, the rage
Mhm.
or the sadness, oh, I smile because
Right.
I know what's next. So as it's coming out, and it's not going to be one session, it could be several sessions, you will get to a point if you keep on lighting up that pleasure network that it's all joy and you almost can't identify with that person
Right, right, right.
that you were before.
Orgasms don't lie, right?
It's the truth. It's the ultimate truth.
So, I hope that you will join us in the circle. We're doing a workshop May 3rd and 4th in Cleveland, Ohio. Come to bodysex.com for more information and share the truth of your orgasm.
And it's interesting when we're in the circle together, there's this beautiful energetic support. We all support each other and we
Mhm.
acknowledge each other's experience. And it always ends up with laughter and
Mhm.
joy. We may feel tired, we may cry it out, we may rage it out, but at the end, it's a release. And now we're ready to heal and move forward and fill it up with happiness and joy. We'd love to see you in the circle. And if you had any questions, you can just message us.
Mhm.
I'm looking forward to May.
Me too.